everyone, my name is Prakash Shrestha. Today I can share with you the most profound concept. So, if you have the no experience, if you have the no idea, if you have the is not give the in your life the coming days the opportunity, how to creating the opportunity, what's the opportunity, the optimistic people will be give the most valuable information. Whatever you want to in your life, where they are today, where they want to be the good futures. That's the most conservative the people's don't things. If you the positive the thinker and taking the actions in your life, you will be achieve your goal. How to the work in our life. Each and every peoples do not understanding how can we achieve my goal, how to creating the my goal settings as well as the more activities exercise the step by step will be the give the short informations. When I was struggling the my life, when I was the thinking, when I was the discover the whole old opportunity, how to grabbing the only one thing, this skills. Whole peoples do not understanding the how to developing the whole class educations, the modern educations will be the developing. I have the no experience when I am the so guilty feels in the world. When I was born in my life, when I was the past my time, I have the realize what's the my past time. I have the spending the time in my education, the others workings level. If you the thing, the only thing the how to the turns the next level, the every people's give the short informations collecting the in your think decision maker or the more valuable thinkers. um, there are the so many people's not understanding the value creation, what it is the value creation or the time to both of the together is the most important. If you working the any peoples, you have to be the investing your time and what it is the your knowledge, this knowledge utilized in your jobs, in your business, the many more sectors. But only one thing you understand, what it is the my value in life. Okay, a second thing, so why do not understanding my past time, you have to be the realize the past time, what kind I do the past time and the future's time, the coming days, the today, the present time is the most powerful time. You can the taking the action, the decision maker, do everything you can do the present time. Past time is does not the return back. Okay, but future's time will be the give the your power, your idea, your decision maker, your many more ideas that generating. But you have to the prepare the today time, or they want to be the go. That is the exactly what can I do the learning. Okay, today I can share with the simple steps why necessary the idea generating in our life and going to the next level. Thank you so much.